Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4, integral 0 to a sin theta r by square root of a square minus r square dr d theta. If you observe function here friends, we get r and theta. So how to evaluate this double integration in polar form? Today we discuss concept and problems on double integrals in polar form. What friends? Polar form. Let us see the concept friends. Double integrals in polar coordinates. If f of r comma theta is a function of r and theta, okay, clearly it is r comma theta. Double integral in r comma theta is given by, it is defined as friends simple, I is equal integral theta 1 to theta 2 r1 to r2 f of r theta dr d theta. Okay, this is a polar form friends, polar form of double integrations, right? Let r1 that is equal to f1 of theta, r2 that is equal to f2 of theta. You need two curves here, and theta is equal to theta 1, theta 2, theta is equal to theta 2 are constants. It is constant friends. So obviously we first integrate here with respect to r friends and then theta. Okay, we learn this concept, okay, in double integration Cartesian form friends. Okay, దీన్ని మనం Cartesian form లో నేర్చుకున్నాము. You can watch that video friends. To watch that video you click I button. Okay, right. Once again here, when r1 is function of in terms of theta, then you first integrate with respect to r. What we learn here, whenever you observe the limits here in terms of theta, you first integrate with respect to r. Here theta 1, theta 2 are constants, so later you do it with respect to theta friends, right? F of r comma theta will be integrated with respect to r. The limits r1 is equal to f1 of theta, r2 is equal to f2 of theta, keeping theta as constant. Okay, we just integrate with respect to r friends. So whenever there is theta, theta is treated as a constant. The resulting function is function of theta. Obviously it is function of theta alone. It will be integrated between theta 1 to theta 2 friends. Then we get the required value, integration value. So I want to see now the geometrical interpretation of polar coordinates friends. Let us see. Geometrical interpretation. If r1 that is equal f1 of theta and r2 is equal f2 of theta, I told you two curves. Okay, theta is equal theta 1 and theta is equal theta 2 are two lines. And what he says moreover, OPQ is a wedge of an angular thickness del theta. Okay, now let us say geometrical difference here. Geometrically, say this is a x axis and this is y axis. This is y axis. Okay, now first I want to draw r1 is equal to f1 of theta. Say this is r1 that is equal to f1 of theta, and then r2 is equal to f2 of theta. Say this is r2 that is equal to f2 of theta. Okay, this is r1 is equal to f1 of theta, this is r2 is equal to f2 of theta. Okay, now I want to draw the two lines friends. Simply it is angle friends. These two are angles which are constants. So here, say this is angle between say theta 1, okay, and the theta 2 friends. So this is theta 2. Okay, now what he says here, OPK is wedge of an angular thickness del theta. So you draw a wedge friends. So this is wedge. Okay, this is wedge friends. If you draw like this here from origin, this is called here friends wedge. Okay, when it's where it starts from the origin. Okay, this is wedge friends, this is called wedge. Okay, what is the width friends here? What is thickness here? Del theta. Okay, this is this thickness is del theta friends, del theta. What he says here, give names OPQ. So obviously you know this is O, and here friends at r is equal to r1 is f1 of theta, we get here p and this end we get Q, friends, Q. Initially we get this region, friends. Okay, now you move the wedge from, friends, theta is equal theta 1 to theta is equal theta 2. Okay, then you get this region, friends, this region. Okay, this is our bounded region. Okay, let us see. Inner integral corresponds to integration of f of r theta from P to Q. Okay, from P to Q, friends, along PQ. Okay, then we get this region. Okay, and then outer integral corresponds to turning of wedge. Okay, turning of the edge from theta is equal theta 1. So from here theta is equal theta 1 to theta is equal theta 2. Then this region will cover, friends. Okay, this region will covers. Hence the region of integration ABCD is covered. Okay, this is about geometrical interpretation of double integration in polar form, friends. Once again here you draw the two curves here. Two curves draw చేయండి. డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత theta is equal theta 1. Suppose ఇదేంటి, suppose 20 అనుకున్నా, 30 అనుకున్నా. Draw a line here like this. 45 to 45 ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఏదో ఒక యాంగిల్ in constant. So the line. Now this is our bounded region, friends. Okay, in Cartesian form we have, in Cartesian form మనకి ఏముంటుందండి, Cartesian form లో మనకి ఏముంటుంది, స్ట్రిప్ ఉంటుందండి, స్ట్రిప్. బట్ హియర్ వెడ్జ్ ఇలా ఉంటే కనుక దీన్ని ఎడ్జ్ అని పిలుస్తారు. వెడ్జ్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆరిజిన్, అండి, ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. బోత్ కర్వ్స్ కవర్ చేస్తుంది. సో whenever we take the what it says here points, you take the first curve lower limit point, say it is P, and the other curve is say Q. ఇక్కడ PQ తీసుకుని జాగ్రత్త తీసుకోవాలండి. ఇంత ముందులో కార్టేసియన్ ఫార్ములా కాదు, ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఏంటిది, ఫస్ట్ కర్వ్ ఉన్నదాన్ని PQ అంటే ఇది మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు, ఇది టర్న్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి టర్న్ చేయాలండి, ఇది ముందు ఈ రీజియన్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది, ఈ టర్న్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అండి, theta is equal theta 1 to theta is equal theta 2 టర్న్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఈ రీజియన్ కవర్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఈ రీజియన్లో గివెన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వాల్యూ వస్తుందండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ జామెట్రికల్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ ఆఫ్ double integration in polar form, friends. Let us see the problem on polar form. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 integral 0 to a sin theta r by square root of a square minus r square dr d theta. 2007 and 5. Important problem, friends. Important problem. So solution integral 0 to pi by 4 integral 0 to a sin theta, write down here r by square root of a square minus r square dr d theta. Now we know one formula, friends. What is that formula? Integral of f dash of x by square root of f of x dx. What is formula, friends? What is formula? Exactly 2 into square root of f of x, 2 into square root of f of x. So what is derivative of a square minus r square? A square derivative is 0. Here minus 2r. Okay, dy dr of r square is minus r square is minus 2r. But we have here r. So multiply with minus 1 by 2. Okay, and minus 2. Okay, minus 2 cancel. Minus into minus plus 2 to cancel here. Okay, then we get this problem, friends. Okay, so that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4. Now what is formula? 2 into square root of f of x. So 2 into under root a square minus r square between limits 0 to a sin theta into d theta. Okay, a sin theta and d theta. So 2 cancel here, we get minus integral 0 to pi by 4, substitute upper limit, friends, here a square minus r square means a square sin square theta, okay, minus substitute lower limit here 0, square root of a square means we get a into d theta, that is equal to minus integral 0 to pi by 4, taking common a square, square root of a square means we get a, 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta, so we get cos theta minus a d theta, minus a into integral of cos theta. A into integral of cos theta is sin theta, minus a into integral of d theta is theta. Between limits integral of d theta is theta, so limits 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. So that is equal to minus a into sin pi by 4 upper limit substitute upper limit minus a into pi by 4. Substitute lower limit, sin 0 is 0, theta value 0 is 0. So multiply with minus, so we get here plus here, so a pi by 4 minus we get here pi by 4 is root 2, so 1 by root 2, a by root 2. Taking common a here, then we get pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, this is the value of the given integration, friends. Once again, he given a problem like this, friends. He given a problem like this. So I observe here the derivative of this function is minus 2r. So I rearrange the terms here, minus 1 by 2 into minus 2. So okay, cancel, we get in again this term, friends. So I apply this formula here, 2 into square root of a square minus r square. Substitute upper limit and lower limit here. I simply integrate, friends, from the second term, and I substitute lower limit and upper limit. Then we get a by a into pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. This is about double integration in polar form, geometrical interpretation in polar form, okay, and then problem on polar form, friends. If you have any doubt in this concept, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.